Hello friends, this is Mr. Vipul Sansare. Once again welcome you in our new video lecture. Today we are going to see a new microscopic characteristics of a crude drug, that is calcium oxalate crystals. So we will see the different types of calcium oxalate crystals along with examples of a drug where this particular type of calcium oxalate crystals are found. So different types of calcium oxalate crystals are basically found in different organs of plants, and these are synthesized from oxalic acid. So the protein metabolism and other metabolism in the plant gives the product, that is oxalic acid, which are harmful to the plant. So these oxalic acids are basically harmful to the plant, and this harmful oxalic acid is converted into harmless products, that is calcium oxalate, by utilizing the calcium ions in the plant. So the plant utilize the calcium ions to convert the harmful oxalic acid to the harmful calcium oxalate crystals, and these formed calcium oxalate crystals are deposited in different tissues of a plant. And this basically most important point here, these calcium oxalate crystals don't take part in the metabolism, and hence these are also known as excretory product, and these are harmless to the plant. So most important thing, these calcium oxalate crystals basically give the protection to the plants against the animals as well as birds. They have great diagnostic value. These type of calcium oxalate crystals along with the specific plant is basically useful for the diagnostic of particular plant, also helpful for the identification of a crude drug and detection and identification of adulterants in the crude drug based on the type of calcium oxalate crystals present in the drug. Now the calcium oxalate crystals are divided into different types based on their shape. So first type is a cubical crystal, or also known as prismatic calcium oxalate crystals. The important characteristic feature of this crystal, these crystals have all sides which are equal. So all sides are equal in case of cubical or prismatic calcium oxalate crystals. Now just see the examples of a drug. So first is a senna, second glycyrrhiza, and third is wild cherry. The glycyrrhiza also known as licorice. So these three different plants where these cubical shaped calcium oxalate crystals are found. So just remember this using a simple trick, that is wild senna ने हीर रांझा को cubical shape जेल में बंद कर दिया. So this wild word indicate the wild cherry, senna indicate the senna plant, हीर रांझा indicate the glycyrrhiza, which is also known as licorice, and the cubical indicate the cubical shape calcium oxalate crystals. Second, this is rhombic shape calcium oxalate crystals. The shape is like a diamond. Examples, only two examples here, the kurchi and mimosa, these two different plants. So just remember using the simple trick, that is diamond shape samosa kurchi mein बैठ कर खाओ. So this diamond indicate the diamond shape or rhombic shape calcium oxalate crystals. So samosa is similar to your mimosa pronunciation, and kurchi indicate the kurchi plant. Next, the monoclinic shape calcium oxalate crystals. The shape of crystal is monoclinic, means the all axes of the crystals are different. So two different plants where these monoclinic shape calcium oxalate crystals are found. So first is veratrum and second is oak galls. So how you will remember? Just remember using simple trick, that is very true and OK girls use clinic plus. So this very true indicate the veratrum plant, OK girls indicate the oak galls, and clinic plus, the word clinic indicate the monoclinic shape calcium oxalate crystals. Next, the acicular or rapid shape calcium oxalate crystals. These are the needle shape and pointed at the end. Next important thing, these acicular or rapid shape calcium oxalate crystal may be found in the single crystal or may be found in the bundle of a crystals in a plant. So examples, just see the cinnamon bark is there, then squill, then vasaka, ephedra, then ipecac, then gentian, and last is andrographis, that is andrographis paniculata. So these andrographis contain the rapid shape calcium oxalate crystal. Now the single acicular means single needle shape crystals are found in cinnamon and gentian plant, whereas bundle acicular means the needle shape crystals which are found in a bundle, these are found in ipecac, that is Syphalis epicocuna, and squill, that is Urginia maritima or Urginia indica, is also known as jungly patch, that is squill. So how you will remember this all examples, that is Chinaman is a skillful gentleman who visually repairs AC and cooler with enthusiasm. So Chinaman indicate the cinnamon, gentleman indicate the gentian. Visually the word V indicate the Vasaka, then AC and cooler, that indicate the acicular shape calcium oxalate crystal, and enthusiastic manner the word letter E indicate the ephedra as well as ipecac. So based on this trick you can remember the examples of acicular and raphoid shape calcium oxalate crystals. So this is the question appear in GATE 2003. The microscopy of bulb of Urginia indica family Liliaceae shows. Now in this question you must remember the biological source of a plant. The Urginia indica indicate the squill family Liliaceae. The squill contains the raphoid shape calcium oxalate crystal, as we have discussed in previous slide. So correct answer is a raphoid shape calcium oxalate crystal. Next, the rosette shape calcium oxalate crystal, as such name suggests, the rosette means the arrangement of a crystal is like a rose flower. Examples are senna, fennel, rhubarb, and also then umbelliferous fruit like a fennel. So other umbelliferous plants also shows these rosette type calcium oxalate crystals. So trick for this rosette shape calcium oxalate crystal, that is Russian सेना ने फिनलैंड रोड तोड़ दिया. So this capital R indicate the rosette, सेना indicate the senna plant, Finland the letter F indicate the fennel, and road, in the road word the letter R indicate the rhubarb. So Russian सेना ने Finland road तोड़ दिया. So this is the correct trick to remember the rosette shape calcium oxalate crystals. Next, the cluster shape calcium oxalate crystals. So the cluster means here two or more prisms are joined to form the crystal, that is a cluster. So cluster of 2-3 prisms. Examples are the cascara, then clove, then arjuna, then hyoscyamus, then stramonium, then senna leaf, and then rhubarb. So different examples are there. How you will remember? Arjuna flower cluster में बैठकर हारमोनियम बजाकर कैसे करेला वो. So this Krishna is asking Arjuna about how to do a love by simply sitting in a flower cluster and by simply using the harmonium. So the Arjuna flower cluster में बैठकर हारमोनियम बजाकर कैसे करेला वो. So this is the thing. So Arjuna indicate the Arjuna plant, cluster indicate the cluster shape calcium oxalate crystal. The harmonium, by using this word harmonium you can remember the stramonium plant. Then kaise kare indicate the cascara, and love indicate the plant clove. So this is the trick to remember the cluster shape calcium oxalate crystal. So this is the diagrammatic representation of cluster and rosette shape calcium oxalate crystal. Here you can see the rosette shape calcium oxalate crystal, the arrangement like a flower, rose flower. And next the cluster means here, as I told earlier, this consists of 2 or more prisms joined together to form a cluster shape calcium oxalate crystal. The examples are senna, cascara, stramonium, right? Next, the other type, that is micro rosette shape calcium oxalate crystal. As I told earlier, this consists basically found in umbelliferous fruit belonging to family Umbelliferae like anise, like and finn. Next, the microspinoidal or sandy type crystal. These are very fine arrow shaped calcium oxalate crystal, and other important characteristics of this crystal. These crystals are occupied in whole cell, whole iodoblast, where the synthesis of calcium oxalate crystals takes place. Examples are cinchona, belladonna, and hyoscyamus, 3 different plants where the microspinoidal shape or sandy type calcium oxalate crystals are formed. So just see the here the microspheroidal or sandy shaped calcium oxalate crystal. These are very fine and arrow shaped calcium oxalate crystal. The pointing is arrow shape, and these are occupied in whole iodoblast, where the synthesis of calcium oxalate crystal from oxalic acid takes place. So this is important characteristics of microspheroidal or sandy type crystals. Examples we have to already discuss: the belladonna plant, the biological source Atropa belladonna, which consists of tropane alkaloids. Next, the last hyoscyamus plant. Again, this is belonging to tropane alkaloid containing plant, that is hyoscyamus. So this hyoscyamus contains three different types of calcium oxalate crystal. So first is cubical, second is tetragonal, and third is sandy type calcium oxalate crystal. So how you will remember these three different types of calcium oxalate crystals in hyoscyamus plant? Halosam तुम्हारा CT scan करो. So halosam indicate the hyoscyamus. CT scan, the capital C indicate the cubical, T indicate the tetragonal, and scan indicate the sandy type or microspheroidal type calcium oxalate crystals. So we have studied the all different types of calcium oxalate crystals along with the examples and some tricks to remember these different types of calcium oxalate crystals and their examples. Thank you.